General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
All right, I got the work for Monday. Today's July 13th. Get the mouse together. All right, that's better. NASDAQ, crazy Asia, London, New York, chop. Asia took all the move. We closed through this BPR. Crazy chop day. Watched the ICT lecture. He was explaining how the economic calendar is set up to be choppy until Wednesday, and he recommended trading the PM session. Pointing out the Kevin Walsh testimony to Congress, he do that Tuesday, Wednesday, 10 in the morning. So it's gonna be dangerous. You go the hour on NASDAQ, see you just closed through the BPR, kind of hanging around previous week's EQ. The BPR did not hold, so price might be heading lower. We have OPN discount that can be used, which is fresh too. So maybe push down tomorrow, buy up from here. Tuesday low of the week maybe, depending on how those earnings look or how Kevin's talking. The daily. Two anchors. This the anchor we sold from. The anchor we bought from. Still thinking it's a hold. Maybe we'll dig into this wick. Price respected the volume imbalance. I still think we can go lower, but I don't think we break the protected low. I think that's low to my. Also, bank earnings tomorrow, so that could pump us too. Financials have been doing well. Okay, this the SPX. Hold on. There we go. Week opening gap rejection. Very small range day. Chop day. Notice how we didn't take any lows. Yeah, we just swept it. The H1, kind of digging. This is a wick zone from before. We didn't even really get the previous week's EQ. The other day, even the sales were lackluster. True. Go on the daily. Our rejection block is down here. This low is not protected. Still thinking we hold this low. Maybe dig into here, take this low maybe. It's not bearish though. We're searching for fair value level to buy from. No real signs institution stepped in yet, but it's money. Monday and earnings of tomorrow. So we will see. The daily chart, it's a spy on the daily. So even the stock chart, we ain't really taking no low, just bullish. We could dig into this volume imbalance here on the stock chart. Not a strong day on the stock chart either. Could draw to that VI and buy up from there. Look at the Qs, they look terrible. This volume imbalance still needs sell side. We get buy side, but we ain't really got no sell side on it. This needs to be completely filled. Qs look a mess. Tech still hasn't found solid ground to buy from. Let me take a look at Nvidia. Nvidia was an inside day. Since it's still the king, we couldn't expect much. What I'm saying is we can sweep these lows. Yeah, that does make sense. Sweep this low especially. We can buy up from here. This the execution. These is all scratches. I think it's like 2 break evens and a loss. Took some buys after I seen some sweeps. Did I follow the plan? Yes. If not, what caused it? Nope. What did I do with I manage risk? What will I do differently next time? Nothing. It's just choppy. Did the framework play out? No, I was expecting better PA with all the excitement this week, but today was an accumulate and engineer liquidity for the weekday. Whether I learn about pattern or myself, I put managing the risk well. Well, I watch for tomorrow. Tomorrow is CPI. All right, that's that on that. Y'all have a good day. Peace.